Hello everyone, it's ArutoRazer56 here, and today I'm going to unbox the two new Fast and Furious premium car set. Premiums. The Toyota Supra and the Koenigsegg CCXR. So, first one I'm going to unbox is this one. It's the 2021 Toyota GR Supra. And this car is from Fast 9, the Fast Saga. Han drives this car, in case you were wondering who drives it. Yep. Here's the card art. Here's a car. Let's open them up. There we go. Go. Here it is. The Toyota GR Supra. Last time we saw this car, it was in a 2-pack, Fast and Furious. It was a matte orange. But now I have glossy orange. Cool. Cool. Nice. Alright. And lastly, we're going to unbox the Koenigsegg CCXR. This car is from Fast 5. And Roman Pierce drives this. So, yep. Here's the card art. Here's the car. Let's open them up. Just a little bit more. Got it. All right. Here it is. Koenigsegg CCXR. It's brown gray with silver rims. Hold on. There you go. Yep, brown gray with silver rims. Cool. Good looking car. Finally found it. Put it in my exotic collection. Yep, so these are my two Fast and Furious premium cars. Finally found the Koenigsegg CCXR. So, hope you all enjoy. Peace.